Here we have honors algebra 2 math problem. Okay, let's go over the question. If a set of 4 parallel lines intersect with another set of 5 parallel lines, how many parallelograms are formed? Okay, first let me draw a set of 4 parallel lines. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Here we have a set of 4 parallel lines. Now I'm going to draw another set of 5 parallel lines. So, but the set of the first set of 4 parallel lines must intersect with another set of 5 parallel lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we have a set of 4 parallel lines in blue color intersect with another set of 5 parallel lines in red color. Okay, here what I need to do is I have to find the number of parallelograms are formed. Okay, here when I consider each four-sided closed figure, this one or this one, any you can consider any four-sided closed figure, it has to be a parallelogram because so this line and this line are parallel, this line and this line are parallel. So in this four-sided figure, in each of these four-sided figure, opposite sides are parallel. If opposite sides are parallel, then the four-sided closed figure is a parallelogram. So, okay, how many parallelograms are we getting? So, some students may think we can count manually. There is 1, 2, 3. The first row, we get 3 parallelograms. How many parallelograms are we getting in the second row? 3. Third row, 3. Fourth row, 3. So, 4 times 3 is 12. So, we get 12 parallelograms. So, 12 is the answer for this question? No, it's wrong. Because we should not only count the individual parallelograms, what I've marked so far. Apart from that, we can count the parallelograms in this way. This is also one parallelogram. Or this one is also one parallelogram. Or even the complete stuff over here can be counted as one parallelogram. In this way, we can draw many parallelograms. So we'll be getting more than 12 parallelograms. So is it possible to count it manually? Is it possible to draw like what I've done so far? Oh, that's a little difficult. So we have to use some applications in mathematics to answer this question. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider the first set of 4 parallel lines in blue color. If I want to get a parallelogram, how many of these 4 lines do I need? I need 2 out of these 4 lines need to form a parallelogram. So here and here. So if I have 2 lines, I need 2 lines from these 4 lines. Okay, how many of these 5 lines do I need to get a parallelogram? The same thing, 2 lines. So if I get 2 out of these 4 lines and 2 out of these 5 lines, I'll be able to make I'll be able to form a parallelogram. So I have to select 2 out of these 4 lines and 2 out of these 5 lines. Okay, first let me select 2 out of these 4 lines. Now, how many ways it can be done? We can use a combination. So there is a number of ways selecting 2 out of these 4 lines can be found using 4C2. Okay, now we have to find the number of ways to select 2 lines from these 5 lines. So it can be done by finding the value of 5C2. So now what should I do with these 2 values? Do I have to add them or multiply them? So here, think about it. So first I select 2 lines from these 4 lines and I'm using the word and I select 2 lines from these 5 lines so that I'll be getting a parallelogram. So I have to do both, that is selecting 2 lines from the set of first 4 parallel lines and selecting 2 lines from the second set of 5 parallel lines. So according to fundamental principles of counting, and means we have to multiply. Okay, so I have to find the value of this 4C2. 4C2 means here we have 2. So this 4 has to be reduced for the next 2 terms. So 4 times 3 over the factor of this number, and I'll be getting 2 times 1. So the same thing I have to do for this one. It is 5 times 4 over 2 times 1. So 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 twice. So here 2 times 2 is 6 and here 5 times 2 is 10. So 60. So when a set of 4 parallel lines intersect with another set of 5 parallel lines, so 60 parallelograms are formed. So the answer for this question is 60.